Chatswood railway station is located on the North Shore Line, serving the Sydney suburb of Chatswood. It is served by Sydney Trains T1 North Shore and Northern Line services. Chatswood Station opened on 1 January 1890, when the North Shore Line opened from Hornsby to St Leonards. An island platform was built on 23 May 1900 and a third dock platform brought into use on 12 July 1919. There was a small goods yard, similar to the one at St Leonards, on the western side of the station, beyond the northern end of the platforms. The dock platform on the eastern side of the station was used for electric parcel-van traffic and also for terminating some services from the city, until these were rescheduled to terminate further along the North Shore Line from January 1992. It was removed in October 1994. Until 1958 there was a tram terminus in Victoria Avenue beside the station. The station entrance was later integrated with a shopping centre called the Interchange in the mid-1980s. With the construction of the Chatswood to Epping line, it was decided to redevelop the station to accommodate Chatswood's new Rollers Junction station. The original station, as well as the attached bus interchange and shopping centre, were demolished in 2005, and a temporary station was opened, where the former Platform 3 was located. A new Western Island platform opened in place of the original island platform on 16 October 2006. The Eastern Island platform opened in 2008. The signal cabin that was located at the northern end of the station building was saved and has been preserved as part of the bus interchange. The new station precinct is known as the Chatswood Transport Interchange and consists of the railway station, a bus interchange and pedestrian pathways connecting the precinct to the surrounding streets. The CTI was constructed as a public-private partnership and was to include a new shopping plaza called Metro Chatswood and 3 towers. The private developers, Cry Chatswood, went into receivership whilst construction was underway. As a result, the shopping centre remained closed until 2014 and major construction of the towers was delayed for several years. In 2019, Chatswood Station will become the terminus of the Sydney Metro North West Line, which will replace the Epping to Chatswood railway line. This will at a later date be extended to Bankstown via the Sydney Harbour Rail Tunnel. The station consists of 2 island platforms, a city-bound platform and an outbound platform. The 2 centre platforms, platforms 2 and 3, serve the Epping to Chatswood line. The outer platforms serve the North Shore Line. A turn-back/stabling road is located to the south of the station and is used to terminate some trains from the Epping line. Access to Chatswood Station is provided by a series of pedestrian walkways at 3 different intersections: Victoria Avenue and Railway Street, Chatswood Mall and Orchard Road, and Post Office Lane and Victor Street. Additional pedestrian entrances are available from Chatswood Central Plaza, adjacent to the north side of the station concourse. Because the station and tracks are level with the ground, the concourse is actually below street level despite being open air in nature. A row of ticket barriers with ticket windows allows passengers access to the concourse, which features stairs, lifts, and escalators to access the platforms. The station fulfills Sydney Trains' easy access criteria. Track layout after construction of the Chatswood to Epping line in 2009. Upshore is the technical name of the track that carries trains towards Sydney and downshore away.